Meet the amazing new Doorbell from UNV, an intelligent video doorbell for next level home security. And we mean next level. This camera stands above all doorbells for one key difference: intelligent package detection and removal alerts. We're all tired of package thieves stealing from our doorstep, and that's one of the main reasons doorbell cameras have become such a necessity for households. And let's not forget delivery drivers who just drop and run without knocking or ringing. It's become an increasingly annoying problem, but now with UNV's dual ultra-wide-angle cameras, a main lens for visitors and a sub-lens focused on the ground, it gives you complete coverage and smart alerts from head to toe on your doorstep. Plus, its built-in infrared and white light illuminators act as powerful active deterrents to unwanted visitors. Here's what's inside. The UNV doorbell is powered via AC 12 to 24 volt wiring through contact pins on a mounting bracket. This makes installing easy so long as you have an existing doorbell wired already. Simply power the camera with existing wires and your doorbell will be good to go. To hang the doorbell, simply install the camera bracket in your desired position, which will usually be where your existing doorbell sits. Then connect the doorbell into the bracket. And if you have a wall next to your door, you can also install the angled bracket for a better view of your porch. The UNV doorbell features a Bluetooth setup and dual-band Wi-Fi with Wi-Fi 6 support for fast pairing and stable connections. What we really love about this camera is the ability for us to connect and control it through UNV Link on our phone. Not only that, but if you have a UNV Kit NVR or IQ Series NVR setup, you'll be able to add the doorbell channels to your NVR for external recording and intelligent post-processing, such as crossline, intrusion detection, and facial recognition. For specifications, the main camera features 3 megapixel wide field of view, 116 degree front camera, and the package camera is 2 megapixels and is angled to view packages at 109 degrees towards the ground. While no additional storage is required with the camera's built-in 8GB eMMC, you'll be able to get more recording time with the doorbell connected to an NVR. This doorbell has an IP65 ingress protection rating and an operating temperature of -30 degrees to 60 degrees, so it can withstand the cold Canadian winter. The combined package camera detects when packages arrive and if they are removed, ideal for preventing theft. The main camera utilizes ultra-motion detections, which sends real-time alerts to the UNV Link app for movement detected on the camera. We also have a built-in microphone and speaker for clear communication with visitors.
This is the test of the UNV doorbell mic.
Now let's get it set up on our phone and see what it looks like on the UNV Link app. Here I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up your new UNV smart doorbell and the additional UNV chime. Let's get started. Power on the doorbell using the provided connectors and wiring. Download the UNV Link app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app. If this is your first time loading the UNV Link app, you'll need to create a login. Click Add Device. Scan the QR code on the back of the doorbell. Follow the prompts to connect the doorbell to your Wi-Fi. Ensure the doorbell is flashing green. Connect the doorbell to your Wi-Fi. Now the doorbell will configure. This can take a minute or two. Let's name our doorbell for easy locating and access. And be sure to set the time and daylight savings correctly. Once connected, you'll see both built-in cameras live in your app. To pair the chime, plug in the chime into a wall outlet. Hold the sync button for 5 seconds. It will flash green and beep to let you know it's in pairing mode. In the UNV Link app, go to your doorbell settings, tap Chime Settings, Add Chime, and follow the steps. Because we're connecting the wireless chime here, we'll select this. And that's it. Now your chime is paired, you can adjust the volume and ringtone directly on the chime. And that's how easy it is to set up the UNV doorbell on the UNV Link app. This new doorbell is going to be at the forefront of home security. With the rest of your home secured by UNV cameras, your doorstep and packages are now secure as well. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more security insights. We'll see you in the next one.